is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Get up, stand up for your right.
Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figeroux, founder and senior partner at the law firm of Figeroux and Associates. Mr. Figeroux opened his private practice in downtown Brooklyn in 1996. He specializes in personal injury, immigration, matrimonial law, bankruptcy, and wills and estate planning, with a strong emphasis on litigation matters. Ask the Lawyer features Brian's legal advice as he answers listeners' questions and shares his insights in achieving your goals and objectives. Every week, Ask the Lawyer also features interviews and guests related to Mr. Figeroux's interests outside the law. Guests and topics include health and wellness, the civil rights war, music production, writers, as well as international and local political and religious leaders. Wide-ranging, fun, informative radio. That's Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figeroux. Ask the Lawyer any question you like via email at bfigeroux@msn.com. That is bfigeroux@msn.com for legal advice regarding specific situations. Appointments at the office will be made when you call 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Please note that submitting questions do not create an attorney-client relationship.
Yes, this is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got the answers. Whatever your legal issue or concern, call us right now for a free, no-obligation legal consultation. The number to call, the number to share, and the number to keep is 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or you can visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. You can call us on any legal issues or concerns that you may have, whether it's immigration, personal injury, accidents, medical malpractice, divorce, separation, child custody, support, wills and probate, estate planning, elder law, real estate, bankruptcy, corporate, business law, civil rights, criminal defense, and taxes, both individual and business. 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or you can visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. They say the best revenge is living well. We say the best revenge is divorce revenge. Don't divorce your money or your kids. Divorce your spouse. Get what you deserve and keep what is yours. Mr. Figeroux?
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figeroux of Figeroux and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. Matrimonial issues. By the time the client comes to the office, they know, I want to get rid of him. I want to get rid of her. So, the grounds for the divorce: adultery, cruel and inhumane treatment, abandonment, constructive abandonment. What does that mean? Your spouse stopped having sex with you. Most times, it's the lady who stops having sex with the guy. Very rarely, the guy will come and say, okay, the lady will come and say, okay, my husband doesn't want to have sex with me. So when it's the grounds for divorce, it's not really a big issue. It's a big issue, though, when a woman is hurt. Or maybe a guy And maybe the lady wants revenge. Ladies, the only revenge you could have on a man is taking his money. Please. Some people think that starting a divorce could save their marriage. Well, hey, it's not likely you're going to save your marriage by starting a divorce. It rarely happens, and it happened with a couple of my clients who actually saved their marriage. But that's the exception to the rule, not the rule. Matrimonial issues, contested divorces, is about assets. Sometimes people they don't even understand that they may have claims on the other spouse, and the assets that they may not be thinking about is a pension plan. So you're married to someone, you have a pension plan, he doesn't, or she has a pension plan, he doesn't. We have to evaluate the pensions. But you have a claim to someone's pension plan. How about assets bought during the marriage? How about assets bought before the marriage? Yes, even though that home, that property or properties was bought before the marriage, there are instances you could make claims. Those are not necessarily separate property. They could be marital property. Do not assume. Prenup agreements may say sometimes, hey, you have no claim to an asset, but you could challenge that prenup agreement or that post-nuptial agreement. How about assets overseas? Yes, obviously property brought during the marriage or even before the marriage, you may have a claim to those assets overseas. Pension plans, physical properties. How about investments? Whether it be the stock market, the treasury bonds, what have you. You have to understand that, hey, you may have claims. Don't assume that your divorce is uncontested. And how about the big guy? Maintenance. Do you qualify for maintenance? How long was the marriage? What is the income differences between the two spouses? What is your style of life? All of these issues, people think it's just rich people talk about maintenance. That is not true. Maintenance is there for people who may have been in a marriage, let's say 4 years or more, and there's a huge difference in salaries. Obviously, the longer the marriage, the longer the duration for maintenance. Child support, 17% for the first child, 25% 2 kids. You cannot decide that you're not taking child support. Child support is the right of the child. And imagine you get child support and the children are still young. It could be for decades that you get child support. And because you could afford not to receive child support, doesn't mean that you shouldn't receive child support. That's an investment. You put that money in a bank account for the kids and invest that money in a stock market. So all the presumptions that we make about, whether or not a divorce should be contested or uncontested, whether you should not make claims to assets, that you need, you have to understand your rights. You have to do an economic evaluation, and you have to decide, hey, am I going after those assets? My name is Brian Figeroux of Figeroux & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call us at is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. What do we say? Divorce your spouse. Do not divorce your children. Have a great relationship with your children. Don't divorce your money. When you divorce your money or you divorce your children, something is wrong with you. You divorce your spouse. That is the person where you have irreconcilable differences. And irreconcilable differences is the simplest method of getting a divorce. And after 6 months in the marriage, you qualify to file on the grounds of irreconcilable difference. Wills and estate planning issues. People like to remain married. Why? They don't want to spend money for the divorce. But guess what? If you die and you are married, your spouse will get assets from your estate, and your wife cannot be disinherited even though you all not live together. So please, if you want to save $1 and lose millions of dollars, hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, that's a mistake that people make. And wills and estate planning is part of matrimonial issues. So when you remain married, if you pass on, who's going to get your pension? Who's going to get your house? Who's going to get your bank accounts? These are things that you have to consider if the marriage is not working. Not only the cost of a divorce, but giving that spouse that you detest your assets on your premature death. My name is Brian Figeroux of Figeroux & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. Give us a call at 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. You could also arrange a consultation by going to our website, Ask the Lawyer. Go to www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. Thank you.
Divorce, separation, support, custody. The common factor? They keep you up at night. Sleep well knowing that you have the law firm of Figeroux & Associates on your side through this difficult time. Don't divorce your money. Don't divorce your children. Divorce your spouse. Whether it's a contested or uncontested divorce, the law firm of Figeroux & Associates will guide you through every step of the process. From child custody to property and debt concerns, the law firm of Figeroux & Associates has the experience and expertise in handling cases involving significant assets and complicated issues. A divorce can be one of the most unpleasant experiences a person ever has to go through. Don't do it alone. Stop the sleepless nights and call the law firm of Figeroux & Associates, 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845, or visit 311divorce.com. That's 311divorce.com. At the law firm of Figeroux & Associates, a divorce is not the end, it's a new beginning.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our free paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.